for a while, a ride for a while. So let's do this. I really do. I live like 10, 15 kilometers that way. But to be honest, the waves are pretty good actually. It's not bad to be fair. I don't know if you can see that little crash you got once, but it's pretty good.
Well, it's better than usual.
Quick little water break. I don't have water yet, so. Sorry. Alright. Oh, there it is. Oh, hold up. Oh, no. Oh, you see everything, aren't you? But again, what is with that view? Look at that. That's insane, really. Australia is so blessed. Honestly, the beach as well is so golden. Hold up. I don't know if you can see it, but the sun is so golden. Sorry, the sun. The beach is so golden. So nice. I haven't got riding in a while, so I thought I'd just have a go, you know?
Okay, after looking back at that, I have no idea what I said.
I need to go riding more. I mean, it's pretty good for the cardio and stuff like that. I don't think many people do riding because they don't think it's essential, but I mean, it's not technically essential, but it's not bad for you. It's the heart racing and stuff like that. I like to go on the bike before training as well. That helps too. Being out here also just lifts my mood up. It's really nice. Let's get back at it. Also, a little interesting fact for you is that the Gold Coast, the walking path that I'm on currently, stretches out all the way from one side of the coast to the other. Interesting fact for you. So this walking path goes from all the way to one side where those mountains are, and past that even, all the way where I'm living at the moment. It even goes past that. So I think they're even planning on building more paths so it stretches even further, which is gonna be sick. And it's a really nice view to see, like from everything. So yeah, gotta love the greenery though. Also, look at these houses, bro. Right. Look at that one. Look at these. I could afford it once I go pro, but what the heck? Honestly, I think I should do more riding bike videos. videos. Like, I haven't ridden a bike since, I like to say, December. And that was the last time I saw my family, so it's like a very long time. I felt like I just enjoy riding. Like, it's so nice and relaxing. Yeah, I'll go more riding, man. Just because I like riding and it lifts my mood up. Alright, so that's it. That's the end of the video. That was really good. Really nice walk. Got more footage as well. So you'll see a quick short pretty much soon. So yeah, that was it. That was really good. Hope you guys liked it.
It's the